Actually, tapos na ako agad magpa-laser. Nagpa-laser ako ng kilikili, upper lip, ng leg ng Brazilian.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zoobs! Welcome back sa aming channel. As you can see, nandito na kami sa kotse, sa ating daily routine. Balik na tayo sa parking lot ng gym.
Daily burn. So yeah, we had a really good trip. Oops. We had a really good trip in Japan, sobrang bitin, and we definitely want to go back if we could, but we have a bunch of things going on this week and we need to get back in shape. Although the good thing is we both jumped on the scales this morning. Success. We didn't really gain at all. You actually lost weight.
Yeah, I lost weight.
Yeah.
57 na lang. Wala, umuulan na.
I think it's mostly due to walking around, carrying the shopping, mga ganyan. So that's a good thing when you can travel and eat. We actually ate pretty good. We didn't really splurge.
Ano talaga? Conscious eating ang nangyari.
And the good thing is there, in Japan, the 7-Eleven, the Family Mart, yung mga convenience stores nila.
May healthy food.
Grabe, ang daming options, diba?
Yes.
There's like protein and you can eat chicken if you
Mga
want.
gulay.
I wish we had that here. I don't know where is.
Wala kasing bibili.
Well, true, yeah. Maybe mas health conscious sila, di ko alam. But it's just really nice to have that option as a traveler. So, yeah, if you're eating healthy, guys.
7-Eleven,
yeah,
pwede.
go to Japan.
7-Eleven is the key.
Yeah, it's
in Japan.
surprising. You had so many smoothies. But,
I
yeah,
know.
we are wearing today our brand new gear from Japan. I'm gonna show you shoes. Yeah.
I bought this. The granddad shoes daw ba yan? Diba?
Parang dad shoes,
Dad
yeah.
shoes.
Actually, I have a feeling my
Your
dad actually has those
your
shoes.
dad has this.
Yeah, and I got some shoes too, the Asics black and gold, so you'll see it in the gym workout. Yeah, I love your top. Your outfit's so nice today. And then, so we bought this from a local spot in Japan. It's a Japan UK brand, and it's really nice. So anyway, we don't want to give it away because then everybody's gonna shop. No, di naman. But anyway, let's go hit the gym. Get our
Yes.
routine started.
Let's go.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a.
Tapos na kami mag-gym mga Zoom. Sobrang happy kami. Nakabalik na kami ulit sa pag-workout after ilang linggo. Isang linggo tayo hindi
Parang-
nakapag-workout.
Actually, because before we left, we had a couple of days off. But we
Kasi
were like
nag-uulan.
packing. It was raining.
It
We were
was a
busy.
busy week actually.
And then we didn't know if we were going, and so much was happening in the moment.
Oo. Kaya ito na yung unang araw namin. We need to actually complete the whole week dahil sa inaabangan naming event sa Saturday. And it's already Sunday mga Zooms. So it's like gipit sa time.
All the
7
time.
days straight. 7 days straight dapat at least makumpleto namin. Tapos full diet. I'm actually doing water fast. Yung huling kain ko kahapon pa sa Japan, 1:30 yung pinaka-last sa aeroplano.
1:30 Philippines time or Japanese time?
Philippine time. Ginawa kong Philippine time kasi syempre para ma-adapt
when
ko
you
yung
get
time
back.
dito. Oo. Pero kasi yung pinaka-meal ko is nung nag-boarding tayo ng 10 a.m. until 10 a.m. Tapos, nag-snack kasi ako ng, di ba, ng peanuts. So parang yun, doon ko in-end yung ano ko.
Okay.
So
I was so
technically,
hungry on the airplane though.
oo, technically,
Right.
yun, susundin ko yung time.
Really bad. What's he doing?
Nahuhuli.
I had really bad acid, so I had to eat. But I had that chicken and mushroom,
Soup.
like it was like a congee.
Oo, kasi nakita ko na parang may rice ng konti. Yeah.
As much as I didn't really want to eat too much carbs, but it was really, it was good, but it really helped. So the rest of the trip, I pretty much didn't have a sore stomach until I got home.
That's good.
But before that, my stomach, when I fly, I don't know, something.
So, itong preparation namin mga Zoops para sa event namin, nilalaan namin itong isang buong linggo namin para doon. Para at least prepared naman kami at maganda kaming tignan sa looks. So, after namin mag-gym, naisip namin na magpunta sa Cara at magpapaganda tayo sa Cara Aesthetics. Siyempre, isasama ko si Mami Eileen, lagi yan sumasabay sa akin. Pati yung Mami ni Andy. Magpapa-facial sila. So, ako siyempre yung diode. Kasi yung huli ko isang buwan na eh. Ito dito, sa armpit, sa legs, tsaka sa Brazilian, kung aabot. Kasi medyo hairy na ulit yung legs ko. So, kayo mga girls, kung gusto ninyong magpa-laser or diode, talagang effective siya sa legs ko, sa lahat ng parts na pinapagawa ko. Kasi kumukonti na yung mga buhok. Siyempre, ayaw naman natin palagi na, no, diba, na marami. Ang hirap, sa totoo lang, magpakinis. Well, thank you, Cara, kasi pinapadali niyo ang buhay ko. Dati yung legs ko talaga sobrang ano eh. Diba? Sobrang hairy. Ngayon,
naman, not compared to like
before, oo.
Ngayon it's like one hair.
So hopefully, tapos na yung ano natin dito sa tuhod. Mga baby hair na lang siya actually. So ayan, pauwi na kami, makapag-shower ng mabilis. Kasi hindi ako pwedeng malate sa Cara kasi fully book sila today. Para hindi daw ma-extend yung time at matapos ako agad. So, I'll update you mga Zoos. Actually, tapos na ako agad magpa-laser. Nagpa-laser ako ng kilikili, upper lip, ng legs ng Brazilian. Kasi Mami, nagpa-ano siya, nagpa-facial. Tapos yun din, Mami ni Andy, may pinagawa din siya. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Aesthetics. So, kung gusto niyo pong pumunta dito lang yan sa Pasig. Kaya magpaganda na tayo together. Ayan. Ano yan?
Reversage, serum, and then sunscreen.
Aba, may gamot ka pa pang ano? Reversage. Tingin. Ayan. Siyempre, they also offered yung mga serum. Para kapag taas mo magpa-facial, meron kang pang araw-araw na maintenance. Tsaka sunscreen. Ito yung ginagamit ko. So, ayan. So, magpa-thank you kay Cara Aesthetics sa aming monthly pampaganda. See you mga Zoo. Sumuulan. Paano kami tatawid? Naulan pa. Magpapatila muna kami. Lakas ng hangin actually. Kasabi ko tayo umuwi.
Alright, so Mum is in the building and she's made a home cooked meal, which is probably the first home cooked meal I've had in probably a whole year, Ata. So she made here a Hainanese chicken or Hainanese or however you say it. But basta, it smells so good. I'm excited to have it. I've got here also some basmati rice. And then we're going to get a bunch of other stuff like some fruit and make a shake as well and some scrambled eggs. Alright guys, so here is our bean sprouts with sesame oil, one of our favorites from Japan. Love this. And then here is our eggs. So yeah, that's my dinner. healthy dinner for tonight.